You ever heard my John Wayne impression?
Yes.
Can I do it again?
Yes. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday, which is not when you'll be seeing this probably, but so I gotta come out here this morning, and yesterday our squash plants looked great. They had all kind of baby squashes, some of them, we even picked one yesterday. But the problem with that one was when we picked it, we found out it had a worm on it that was eating holes in it. But anyway, so I'm so new at this that I'm just not sure what's going on with this, but it's almost like something got into the squash plants and trampled them. I don't know, but let me show it to you guys, see if you guys have ever seen this. So I came out here and this is what they look like. Remember, those are the little ones where the cardboard is. And these looked so good yesterday. Like, look at the squashes. They're like molded almost. Rotting right there. Just rotting. It's really bad. So that's a little disappointing for me this morning because I was really looking forward to getting some more off there and sauteing some squash and onions. These right here in the pot, even though that pot's probably a little bit small for two whole ones, I mean, they're doing okay. It does look like kind of weird. See those holes in there? I think there's a worm or something eating. And everybody talks about the squash bugs. So is that what squash bugs do to the squash? Because I have no idea. I've not ever really grown squash. See? That's weird. Is that squash bugs? There's something on there eating the squash right on the plant. So, yeah, I think this might be a loss here. So those back there so far are doing okay. I don't know. I guess sometimes you plan and sometimes things just don't go as you plan. So that's why you're supposed to probably plan a lot more than we have. And also I've read and heard that you're supposed to plant squash successively so that you can stay ahead of the squash bugs, because I have a feeling that that could be what's causing all of this. Anyway, so I've got the one little squash, and I guess we're gonna fry it up today, and that'll be our one little squash. It's okay though, because we are learning, and in learning there's failure. So when you have a teachable spirit and you keep an open mind and you're able to learn, sometimes you learn through failure. It's rough and tough, but as Johnny would say, them's the grits. So on a good note, I think it was yesterday, we got 6 eggs. We have 6 hens, so that means all 6 of our hens are now laying. So just now I went and checked, and there was 1 hen in the nest, and there was another girl standing outside the nest waiting her turn. So we have 2 nests in there for 6 hens, and they're only using the 1. Go figure. So one of the problems that we're having with the chickens is that we have 1 too many roosters, possibly even 2 too many roosters. We have 2 roosters, and we have 6 hens. And so, honestly, the girls are terrified. They spend a lot of their time in the box, in the coop part, hiding from the roosters. The dilemma I'm having is that I really like these roosters, and I'd rather not cull one of them. I'd rather not kill one of them. I don't know, just not there with it this time, not down with it, I guess you could say. But so we could either cull them, make them meat, because Big Red, he is a really good meat rooster. We would have to roast him, of course, because now he's a little old to make into a fryer. We'd have to actually boil him probably. not roast, but we'd have to make them into chicken and dumplings or some kind of soup or something. But so I don't really want to do that. But the other thing we could do is we could get another few hens and build another little coop and put them in it, or put them out here in this tractor that we have. The only thing about the tractor is that I'm not totally sure that as it sits, it would work well for a permanent, dwelling place for the chickens. There's a few things we'd have to modify on it. We'd have to be able to move it easier. There's a few spots where I'd like to kind of shore it up from predators, that kind of thing. Also, we'd have to put a nest box in there, which that'd be easy. We could throw a crate in there for all, as far as that goes. So we could just get a couple more hens. And actually, the breed that he is, Big Red, he's a Turkin or a naked neck, and they make very, very good dual purpose birds. So it would be something good to raise so that we could provide meat and eggs for our, for our homestead here, and also maybe sell some of them. So they're kind of a cool looking bird. They kind of got just unusual characteristics. But anyway, so we could choose to do that, or we could just give him away, or give one of them away, because I'm having a hard time deciding which one I want to keep. I kind of honestly like them both, but both of them have also come at me the other day. Big Red came, did his little sideways dance, and then he tried to fly up at my legs. And so I had the scooper in my hand, and I took it and swatted it at him, and he took off running, of course. And then Kenny, I think it was yesterday, he tried to come up and fly at me, and I had to kind of hit at him to get him away. So what I've been doing is when they do that, if I can grab them, I will. But anyway, it's just a hard decision to make. It's rooster problems that we have. So that's something I'm going to have to decide what we do. I'm just not sure what we want to do in this situation. Got some decisions to make, and probably need to make them as soon as we can because of the hens. I don't want them overworked. I don't want them to be afraid and terrorized like they are, because honestly, Big Red, he is big, and when he jumps on those hens, it's like they are getting squashed by him. He's huge. That's what's been going on with the chickens. Other than that, they're doing great, laying for us. I eat about 3 to 4 eggs a day just by myself, so we're not getting enough for like the whole family. So maybe we do need to consider getting a few more hens and shoring up this tractor. That might be the easiest thing to do. We'll just see how it goes.
Well, hey guys, hello friends, this is Johnny here. Just wanted to share something with you. I piled up some pecan limb. I helped my neighbor over there. Pecan limb fell in his front yard, so I helped him cut it up. And I told him he could bring it over here because I wanted the bigger part for the wood. And I piled it up right here. There's stuff there. I'm going to burn it. But I got the limbs here too. But look around here. It's caterpillar cocoon.
It's only been a few days.
And it's only been a few days. And there's cocoons all in these trees. But I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It's a cocoon here. And you can actually see them. You can actually see them all down in there.
Wow, you can't burn this now. Know it?
Yeah, I cannot burn it.
Mm-mm.
There's too many of them in it. So we just wanted to share that.
Yep.
You ever heard my John Wayne impression?
Yes.
Can I do it again?
Yes.
You're just such a sweet lady. You laugh at all my jokes. But here it goes. Well, friends, we're gonna end this video right here. And if you're still breathing,
There's still hope.
don't ever give up.
Yep. See you guys next time.
That's a good one. There you go.